Okay, so today we're going to cover discovering a device within Environet Connect. The first thing you'll need to do is you will need to have a local agent installed, and you will also need to make sure that SNMP is set up on the device. After that is complete, we can go ahead and we can log into the Connect system. Once we get logged in from the home page, we will select our Equipment tab. From the Equipment tab, we will be over in the Device menu. This menu shows all of the devices that are being monitored in the system. If you are doing this for the first time, you will not have any devices in there. In order to add a device, we'll go over Select Add. We have two options here. We can add a device manually, or we can scan for devices. In this instance, we will show you how to scan for devices. Once you select Scan for Devices, you will see a menu that shows Device Discovery Scan. If you are a managed service provider, you will have to select the customer that you are wanting to find equipment on. If you are a normal user, you will not have to. After that, you will select your local agent. Again, these devices use SNMP to communicate to Connect, so you will select your version of SNMP. We do support SNMP V1, V2C, and V3. In this instance, we'll show V2C. For this example, we will then have to put in our community string, and then we are asked to select our scan type. If this is a fresh out of the box unit, you can discover and provision that device using a broadcast scan. But if it is a known IP range that the device is sitting on, we can go ahead and select that IP range. We'll enter that range in. We are scanning multiple subnets. We can select Add and then add those additional subnets. Once we're ready, we'll go ahead and select Begin Scan. You'll notice that you get a toast information in the bottom that says that the scan has started. You can check the status of the scan using the Device Discovery menu, and now we wait for the scan to complete. Once the scan has completed, you will receive notice of that. You can select View Your Results. You'll notice in this menu, it shows you the status of the equipment that was found. In this instance, it found a GXT4 UPS that's not being monitored. If I would like to add that, I go ahead and select Add. I can then assign it a group. These groups are customizable, or we can leave it as unsigned. When I'm ready, I select Add Selected, and now the device is being added for monitoring. You'll receive notifications that it has been successfully added. Then you can come back to your Devices tab, and you should see that device listed in this menu. It may take a couple of minutes for the device to pull and start showing online.